quick walk around of the 74 Volkswagen Thing. New bumpers from the Thing shop. I'm sorry if I'm making you dizzy, but I'm not trying to. The back window has some stains and everything on it. Engine compartment. New tail light lenses on both sides. New handle on the trunk. New handles on the thing. Let's get a view inside real quick. Back seat. Battery under there. I want to do just a quick walk around the car. Show some scratches there. There's this car's been painted for 25 to 30 years, but there's some kind of little something going on here. That's a stretch, but it's been painted a long time. And there's a little something right here. But the paint has been on it probably 25 years. I buffed it with a wool cloth and it is hard. So it's probably could be Imron paint. The only bubble that I could really see is right here. But it's a very solid, pretty little car. It's got a really good gloss. And I'll go ahead and open the engine compartment up. Kind of get you a view in there. It had a new engine put in. I'll update that in the thing because I've got the dates in the house and the miles when they put a brand new block, heads, pistons, all that stuff. It was done by Oak Hill Automotive in Longview, Texas. Okay, we're gonna check the headlights and the left blinker. I've got a left headlight that's out, and then the left blinker's working, and it's showing on the dash as well. Right blinker. I just put a new fuel sending unit in it. I kept the original with the original little top that covers the thing, and that's the right blinking. So we know the blinkers work. And let's see. Just trying to get it to go. No. Try one more time. High beams work. Well, now that side's off. So I don't know. Maybe a wiring issue. Another video, I'm just going to show the flooring. Show underneath so anybody can look at it. Try to show you as much as I can. There are some cracking on the side windows. Look like somebody might have put plexiglass in there, and so the back glass has kind of got some spaces, and you can still see out of it, but it's got some wear on it from something. And it does have new door handles. That's just the blue thing they put on there to protect it. But each door has keys. And so, anyway,